Hey everyone! Having your Vinted account blocked can be frustrating, especially if you have pending sales or items you love. In 2026, Vinted has a structured appeal process to help users recover accounts that may have been flagged incorrectly. Here is the step-by-step guide to getting your account back. Step 1. Locate the official ban notification. We are starting in your email inbox or Vinted messages. We're heading to the ban notification sent by Vinted. We do this because Vinted usually includes a direct reason for the block, and more importantly, a specific link to start your appeal. Open the message informing you of the block. Look for the appeal link if provided in that message. This is often the fastest way to get your case in front of a moderator. Step 2. Accessing the Help Center. If you can still open the app, we are heading to the Profile section. We do this to use the internal support system, which is already linked to your account data. Go to your profile, select Help Center, type or look for the option My account was banned or I want to appeal the decision. Once you navigate to the My account was banned page in the Help Center, you are moving from a general information phase into the actual legal/technical appeal. In 2026, Vinted uses this specific landing page to filter legitimate appeals from automated bots. Here is exactly what happens next and how you should handle it. Scroll to the very bottom of the My Account Was Banned article. You will see a button labeled Contact Us or Appeal Decision. We do this because the article itself is just text. Clicking the button opens the official ticket that goes to a human moderator. Tap the Contact Us button within that article to open an official ticket. Now we are in the appeal form. We're heading to the description box. We do this to provide clear evidence that you haven't violated the terms of service. The content. Politely explain why you believe the ban was a mistake. If it was for counterfeit items, offer to provide receipts or additional photos of the authenticity tags. Be concise but thorough. Note that the final decision to unblock is entirely up to the Vinted team, so remaining professional in your appeal is key. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.